Prepare the mortar cement and apply it to the very back area of the rough-in. Create an even spread over the subfloor area. Add extra thicker globs at regular intervals. Just as you practice with the tray template, carefully lift and move one side of the tray into the back corner, lifting it over the drain pipe and lowering it carefully and slowly. Carefully lift and swing the other side of the tray into the back corner. Stand the tray upright, keeping it supported. Apply the mortar cement to the rest of the subfloor. Create an even spread over the subfloor. Add extra thicker globs at regular intervals. Remove the rag from the drain pipe. Begin to slowly and carefully lower the tray while fully supporting its weight. You will need to nudge it back as you lower it so that it maintains a tight fit with the back of the rough-in. Use the adjusting rod to guide the drain pipe into the tray's drain body. Press firmly down, adjusting the tray's position as needed to fit accurately within the framing. Place a protective covering over the tray's surface. Replug the drain pipe with a rag. Push firmly down on all areas of the tray and make any final adjustments to its position. Ensure that the tray is level. It is recommended to verify the front of the curb, back of the tray, and both diagonals through center.